Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong, Hakar Pusan Tri Ujuliu Arajar Alpusan Club Lepat Ba, Yeka Road Signage, Nekajing Kedo Kikerteng Jongi Jaka, Ban Pensuk Yikinonglet Nangwan Blasi Happening Surok Kalat Mawlai Bypass. Yeka Nika Signage La Lepat Ba do District Governor Jong Rotary International District Lahajar Arspa Saupo, Usukim de Singh, Ringkat Kejinan Lang Jong President Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong, Ba Anthony War, Baginongkit Kamshnong Kamokan Raw Umshing, Pulit Kamokan Raw Outpost Bat Kiwe. Kajing Pinyang Ikanika Signage, Kolong Ban Pinsuk, Ikinolet Nang One Ling Baga Surok Mawlai Bypass, Kanabakin Duptip, Yakijaka Bikitumu Banlet, Kumikerteng Bakado, Namal Baki Brug Benabar, Bakinong Jongok Kai Perthe, Kijupinan Kam, Naganika Surok Bandrong Shakanong Ba Shillong.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.